Hi, this is a support video to help you with using cuisenaire rods, which is our coordinates and variables lesson 2. Okay, so this is a program called mathsbot. It's where you'll be using this quite a lot in our topic of algebra, because most of the tools that you need are on this website, and it replaces those manipulatives that we've been using in class. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up and we're looking for cuisenaire rods. So there we go. I'm going to click on cuisenaire rods. Now we're looking at variables, so I need it to be letters, not values, and these are the same letters that is in the video that explains all about coordinates and variables. And this is really just to show you some examples of work that you can do to answer those questions at the end of the coordinates and variables 2 lesson. Okay, so we're going to have 3 examples today for you to do, and you can write these in your book. Okay. So first one, if O equals 4, what is the value of Y? So I need O, so I drag it. Okay, you can use your mouse to drag O from the pile, and I need Y, so I'm going to put that up there. It needs to be on the end matched up completely, and then I can copy, and it allows me to have another. Now that fits nicely, making 2 equal length bars. Okay, so then I would go in and I'm going to now draw what I see. Okay, so I can see I've got O, which is 1 long bar, and Y, which is 2 smaller bars of equal size. Okay, so if O is 4, then we've got to do 4 divided by 2, because there are 2 we're sharing it between, which means that Y equals 2. Okay, so that's example number 1. So the next one, if T equals 8, so we need T. Okay, and what would G be? Okay, so let's pick up G, put it across, copy 1. Oh, okay, so G doesn't fit nicely. So in this case, we've got to delete one of those G's off. We're going to just have 2. And I can either use W or maybe R to fit in there. And I'm going to use W for this exercise, because W is our smallest unit, so it's the easiest one for us to use. Okay, now the problem we have at the moment is we don't know how to find T with 2 different variables. So we're going to draw that again, but this time I'm going to just use W. So how many W's fit along that T? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to draw that picture, because if T is 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just delete that little bit off. I've drawn it a little bit too big. Let's get rid of that. I made it too big, didn't I? Okay, so let's try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And W is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. So W must be 1. Okay, so if I know that W is 1, then that changes the bar diagram for the one above. So I've got my 8. I've got my 2 1s here. And what would these 2 be? Well, 8 take away the 2 that I've got there means this bit is 6. And I have 2 of those, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. So G must be equal to 3. So W is a nice one to use, because it's a unit in our cuisenaire rods. If we always find W, we can find the value of any of the other rods, and the other video does go through that with you in a bit more detail. Okay, so a bit more complicated. If given B equals 1, what is W? So B is 1. What is W? Okay, let's put that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 for B. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. Well, if I'm going to do 1 divided by 7, because there are 7 W's, remember that can be written as a fraction. So in this case, W equals 1/7. Now you need to go onto the video on coordinates and variables for a bit more information on the questions you need to do. Make sure the examples from this video are written into your book neatly before you do any other work. Okay, bye for me.